Watch this video to learn more about Ripple and some other cryptocurrencies. Everything in it is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. Don't forget to support my channel for more XRP updates and more. This video looks at the controversial $1.9 billion remedies request in the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The cryptocurrency community has opposed the Commission's recent request for a remedy. xrpchatos has expressed its displeasure with the Securities and Exchange Commission's demand that Ripple pay an astounding $1.9 billion in fines and penalties. These people think the SEC is abusing its regulatory authority and isn't responding to their requests for remedies. The Securities and Exchange Commission demanded on March 22 that Ripple pay a total of $1.9 billion in fines and penalties as part of their Red-related court filing. This amount is in addition to the $728 million that Ripple made from its purported unregistered securities offering through XRP institutional sales between the years 2013 and 2020. Several members of the XRP community have voiced their displeasure with the SEC's request, characterizing it as evidence of prejudice against Ripple. This statistic is far from perfect. Professor of Law J.W. Veritum called attention to the stark difference and the SEC's demand when compared to similar situations involving other. In situations such as these, firms are often looking for a recovery of 11, but the Securities and Exchange Commission's request for a return of 300 from Ripple has raised concerns and drawn criticism of the SEC's actions. Despite Ripple's victories in the lawsuit, such as the court's ruling that XRP is not a security and the removal of charges against its founder, Bill Morgan, an Australian lawyer, joined the chorus of critics and denounced the Securities and Exchange Commission's demand that it be an abusive regulatory power. Morgan's Sue management deemed the demand to be quite abusive for mounting such a strong fight and delaying its ambition to regulate cryptocurrency for 3.5 years. CEOs, although Ripple had planned to file its opposition later this month, the legal dispute is still ongoing, and it is still unclear how the SEC's request for a remedy would be resolved. Stuart Alder, the chief legal officer of Ripple ABS, has noted that cryptocurrency frauds may be addressed in non-political methods. This is relevant to the OneCoin fraud case. CL of Ripple criticizes the political stance adopted by Irina Dilkinska, who was previously OneCoin's head of legal compliance. A few days ago, the U.S. court system sentenced Kinska to 4 years in prison, citing her involvement in a cryptocurrency pyramid scheme that defrauded investors who were uninformed of the strategy and extracted more than $4 billion from them to remedy the shortcomings of the authorities about crypto issues. A few individuals who were involved in the case have been indicted by the U.S. government. This case was cited by Ripple's chief legal officer in his article. Following a statement made by Juror Gruhl, a director of the Securities and Exchange Commission, stating that the commission regulates cryptocurrencies with integrity at the time